Hello everyone, this is Colette with True Door Property Management. Today we are at 17392 Keelson Lane, Unit D in Huntington Beach, California. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. As you walk in, you are greeted by the large living room that has a ceiling fan in the middle, a wall heater, wood flooring, lots of natural light. The windows will get window coverings. They are ordered, just needing to be delivered. So we will be adding window coverings. Behind me, we have our kitchen. It has stove, oven, dishwasher, and refrigerator with a dining room. Plenty of cabinets for storage. Again, window coverings are coming. Here we have our hallway, has some cabinets for storage on my left and a closet for storage on the right. To the left is our first bedroom, mirrored closets, ceiling fan in here. Very nice sized bedroom. All right. I'll show you this closet in here. Pretty good size. Here is the bathroom, shower tub, vanity, of course the toilet. And here is the second bedroom. This one is a little bit larger than the first one, but this one also has ceiling fan, mirrored closets. This property has community laundry downstairs, as well as a detached 1-car garage. Again, this is 17392 Keelson Lane, Unit D in Huntington Beach, California. It is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. Comes with a detached 1-car garage, community laundry, and window coverings are on the way. For more information, feel free to visit our website at truedoorpm.com.